Hey guys, just welcome to my channel. Today we are going to unbox the Nivia Heat shoes, basketball shoes. Now just start it. See, this is what I got from Amazon. The condition of the box is not so good. Let's open it. How's the condition of my shoes? Oh, it's so good. Not. ओ भाई क्या है ये ज़बरदस्त दिखने में अच्छा है ना. According to me, the look of shoes is so good. Now see, just see the finishing of the shoes. See, overall the finishing is so good. Yeah, the finishing is so good. As Nivia is a good company, na. See the under the shoes. See the finishing is also good from here. According to Grape. According to me, see the quality of it's also good. Yeah, like water resistance, not waterproof. According to me, see the grip is also so good, bro. Oh wow, what a grip, bro. According to me, the grip is best. See, the quality is also, according to me, under 2000. The quality of this shoes is so good, bro. See, if you jump, then it's so good, and your leg is safe inside this. And also, under 2000, according to me, the Nivea Heat shoes are the one of the best shoes for basketball. Okay, if you want to buy, then buy. It's just good shoes. If you like my video, then like. If you don't like my video, then dislike. And if you like, then please subscribe my channel, yaar.